Hello students, today we are going to study the different valves present in the human heart. So the topic is valves of the heart. So you know the structure of the human heart. So there are 4 chambers, 2 auricles, 2 ventricles. The upper chambers are called as the auricles and the lower chambers are called as the ventricles. So this is right atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle. Okay, so now you know the openings in the right atrium. So this is superior vena cava, this is inferior vena cava, this is cavernous sinus opening. This opening is called as right atrioventricular opening. You can simply call it as a RAVO. So right atrioventricular opening, and this opening is called as LAVO, that is left atrioventricular opening. So here there is, in right ventricle there is one opening called as pulmonary trunk opening, and here in the left ventricle there is one opening called aortic opening. Okay, so on the right side there will be DOB and the left side there will be the oxygenated blood. Now the valves are located in this opening. So in the right atrioventricular opening there is these cups, you can see the cups. So these cups are nothing but the tricuspid valve, and these cups you can call it as a bicuspid valve. So bicuspid valve is also called as mitral valve. Now in the pulmonary trunk opening there is a valve called as pulmonary semilunar valve. Pulmonary semilunar valve. And in the aortic opening the valve present is called as aortic semilunar valve. So we have seen the tricuspid valve, the bicuspid valve, the pulmonary semilunar valve, and the aortic semilunar valve. So we have seen 4 valves. Now in the inferior vena cava, so this inferior vena cava is going to bring the blood from the lower part of the body. So it is bringing the blood against the gravity. So here also the valve is present, and that valve is called as Eustachian valve. And this opening is called as coronary sinus. So here also one valve is present. It is also called as cavernous sinus. So here the valve present is called as Thebesian valve. And this superior vena cava is going to bring the blood from the upper part of the body. So here the valve present is called as Haversian valve. So these are the 7 valves that are seen in the human heart. So in the board exam they will ask you write a short note on the valves of the heart. So you have to write these 7 valves name and show and draw the diagram and show the location of these different valves and write the function. So the function of all these valves is to prevent the backflow of the blood. And from NEET point of view, they will ask you about these 4 valves, that is tricuspid, bicuspid, the pulmonary semilunar valve, and the aortic valve. They will never ask you about the Thebesian, Eustachian, and the Haversian valve. So I hope you have understood this lecture. If you have any doubts you can ask me. You can message me in the message box. And in the next lecture we will study about the conduction of heart. So thank you very much.